For today, we are going to try unbox and test the Kawasaki hpw-302 pressure washer and some of the specs that you may need. Water temperature should be at 50 Celsius, and also I'm going to check the temperature. I have a digital thermometer here. I'm going to check the operating temperature later on, and I'm going to try use an extension cord, the thick one. See if the extension cord will work, or if the extension cord will also heat up. I also have a simple decibel meter. I'm going to check how loud the engine later on. Also, I'm going to try show you the actual test or demo and a quick assembly guide. I think we're okay with the assembly. Later on, we're gonna check water source coming from the faucet. So these are the extra accessories. This is for the water faucet, and then the other source will be on the bucket type or basin type. And let's see what will work, or will the bucket type work much better or the faucet type. So this is the faucet version. It's plugged in directly to the faucet, but they have some leaks on the hose. So I think it's much easier to prime the pressure washer if you are connected to the faucet directly. I'm gonna check if the extension cord will heat up. So 26, about the 27. I also have the decibel meter. 7. So this one is already primed, and let's check if you can remove some nasty algae. Holy schmucks. This one is so freaking loud and powerful. Those are like 5-year-old algae, and I really need to remove them because you don't want accidents or incidents waiting to happen, you know, like slips and everything. So this one is really powerful. Also, I think if your main source will be on the bucket, I think that one will be much better. Our water pressure is kind of low. It's not really powerful or high. One more test. And later I'm gonna try use this for maybe 15 minutes or an hour and see if the motor will heat up or the extension cord. On the manual it says that do not use extension cord, but this is the thickest one and it doesn't heat up, but it's only been like a few seconds. Let's check the noise. I'm gonna pop this out. It doesn't want to focus. There. So around 82, maybe 88 max, but it's not really loud. So I'm gonna use the washer for a while and we're gonna check the temp later on. I forgot to test the wide nozzle version, so I think we just need to adjust this or play around with this. Go. Holy schmuck. So this time I changed the source to bucket type or basin type. Not sure which one will work much better, but I think this one, I think I prefer this method rather than the direct faucet. So let's check this out. Yep, this one is way much better, but the problem is you need to wait for it to prime to complete the pressurized thing. So I'm gonna use this for a while, scrape all the algae and then check for the temperature of the cord and the power washer unit. So I've been using the spray, the power pressure washer for like 30 minutes, and this is what happened. I'm almost done but not yet complete. So let's check the temperature. 36, 35. Extension cord 26, no changes again. 7, 6, 7. So 30 minutes but not straight. I need to rest for, I think I will only spray for like 10 to 15 seconds and then rest for 5 seconds. So far I'm satisfied with the results. This is a Chinese made Kawasaki pretending to be Japanese technology. We need to depressurize or remove the pressure on the machine before storing the unit. So it will be like so. Okay. So once you hear this, just turn off the machine and you're all done. That is to remove the excess water inside the pressure washer. That's all. I'm gonna finish this up, and maybe next time I'll check or upload an updated video how long this thing will last. I hope it will last for about 2 or 3 years. So adios guys.